TP-Link Archer C64 setup. This is the best way to set up your TP-Link Archer C64 AC1200 dual-band wireless mu-MIMO gigabit Wi-Fi router. Plug the power adapter into the router and connect it to a power outlet. Then power on your TP-Link Archer C64 Wi-Fi router. Connect the Ethernet cable from your internet service provider to the WAN or internet port, usually blue, on the back of the TP-Link Archer C64 wireless router. If you want to reset and set up your TP-Link Archer C64 router. When your TP-Link Archer C64 router is powered on, press and hold the WPS reset button more than 10 seconds until the system LED becomes quick flash from slow flash. Then release the button and wait for the router to reboot to its factory default settings. Connect your phone or computer to the TP-Link Archer C64 router using an Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi. The default network name and password are usually on a sticker at the bottom of the TP-Link Archer C64 Wi-Fi router. Once your mobile phone or computer is connected to the TP-Link Archer C64 router, open a web browser, type 192.168.0.1 or tplinkwifi.net in the address field, then press enter to visit the TP-Link Archer C64 router's web management page. Please create an administrator password or login password to manage your TP-Link Archer C64 router. For security purposes, create a local password for login before starting the quick setup. First, type your new login password. The login password must contain no spaces. The login password must be 6 to 32 characters long. The login password must contain numbers and symbols. Then confirm your login password. Then, click on Let's Get Started to continue your TP-Link Archer C64 setup. Select your local time zone from this pull-down list. Then click the Next button to continue your TP-Link Archer C64 setup. Select your connection type: Dynamic IP, Static IP, PPPoE, L2TP, PPTP. You can ask your internet service provider about your internet connection and the required details. If your internet service provider gives you a public IP or static IP address, type the IP address, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS servers given by your internet service provider. If your ISP gives you a PPPoE username and password given by your internet service provider, first type your PPPoE username. Then, type your PPPoE password. Then click the Next button to continue your TP-Link Archer C64 router setup. When Smart Connect is enabled, the 2.4G and 5G networks share the same network name and password. Only one SSID will be displayed, and your wireless device will automatically switch connection to the Wi-Fi band that provides the fastest speed. Click the Enable Smart Connect checkmark box. Personalize your wireless network name or Wi-Fi name and password. Confirm or change the wireless network name SSID. Type the wireless network name SSID or Wi-Fi network name for your wireless network. Type the password you have chosen in the box next to the password. Wi-Fi password must contain at least 8 characters. Then click on Next to continue your TP-Link Archer C64 setup. Wireless settings have been changed. Please reconnect to the router and continue the setup. To complete the installation process, connect your mobile or computer to the TP-Link Archer C64 router. Type the wireless network password you have previously set. Once your mobile phone or computer is connected to the TP-Link Archer C64 Wi-Fi router, then click on Next to continue your TP-Link Archer C64 router setup. Success. Settings applied successfully. You can connect your devices to the router by using the information below. Click Next to finish the TP-Link Archer C64 router setup and configuration. If you find this video helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.